Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today let's talk about checklist for Indian students to study in the UK. This video will cover everything you need to know when applying to UK universities for admission. Our website has a particular page, so let's check it out first. And students, please subscribe to our channel if you want more information about studying in the UK, Ireland, European countries, USA, Canada, Australia, Dubai, Japan or any other countries worldwide. Now let's move on to our video. First and foremost, I was motivated to bring this video out as many students in India want to join foreign universities for higher studies, mainly in the UK. And I have seen many students needing help to get into a good university. However, they encounter troubles due to a lack of good counseling. Sometimes they are rejected due to need for documents. So please remain until the end of this video because you will get the answers to every questions here. Let's start with the requirements. You must have a good English, so IELTS minimum score of 6 overall and 5.5 each for undergraduate and 6.5 for postgraduate studies is required. If the student has scored well in the English language in 12th standard English medium and has only studied English throughout school and college, or study in the UK without IELTS is possible. Only some universities accept those with B and many with B plus and above. Before applying to any university, you must research first. Know about the university, its location, facilities, etc. and learn about the course on its official website. Most importantly, the fees and course modules. See how you can achieve your goals through the subject. Research the jobs you could get after the particular course and many more. Now, after you feel that you are fit for a particular course at a specific university, you might begin applying. Now the documents required for the offer letter are your passport, IELTS if needed. Some universities accept students without IELTS if you have a B or B plus and above. Next, your CV. You can check our website for sample CVs. Another is SOP, Statement of Purpose. We have a separate video on writing SOP. I have included the link in the description below. All academic certificates such as your 10th grade certificates, plus 2 certificate and bachelor and master certificates are required. Whatever you have. Please note that for Indian students, few universities require DigiLocker certificates, so get it from digilocker.gov.in. You must provide work experience or an explanation letter if you have a gap after completing your previous degree. Academic references, that is, a minimum of 2 letters of recommendation are required. After submitting your documents to a university for offer letter, you must await the decision. Then you might get rejected or receive an offer letter. There are two types of offer letters. The first is conditional and the second is unconditional. In a conditional offer letter, the remaining documents will be mentioned. Then after fulfilling the requirements, you will get the unconditional offer letter. However, a direct unconditional offer letter will be sent to you if all requirements have been met already. After receiving an offer letter, you must pay tuition fees, book your medical, or attend university interviews if necessary. Some universities may take your interview before issuing an offer letter, so you must also be ready for that. We have kept the interview sample questions on our website, so visit the description section for the link. Now, another important document is your bank statement. You can find the samples on our website or the link in the description. In addition, the applicant is required to submit his financial documents to us. The funds must be 28 days old if they are in the form of savings or fixed deposits. The balance certificate should be within 31 days of online visa application submission. Funds should be in the name of the student or student's parents, sponsors, any other than these such as grandparents, uncle, aunt, siblings, etc. are strictly not allowed. So make sure that the funds is in students or student's parents account. If funds are available in the parent's account, a parent consent letter and the applicant's birth certificate must be submitted. We have attached the format below. The types of funds accepted for UK student visa lodgement are education loan, saving accounts, fixed deposits. The bank which will be used for funding should be regulated by the Reserve Bank of India RBI. A list of all such banks can be found at the given link. You can also find it in the description. We have attached some important documents below for your assistance. Those are sample bank balance certificate, sample FD balance certificate, sample education loan sanction letter format, a list of original documents required to be carried by the applicant to the VFS for a visa interview, a mock interview questionnaire. The student must be ready for the interview through these questions. Sample letter of consent if the funds are in the parent's account. Sample under 18 consent letter to be signed by applicant's parents if applicable. And for a medical, you must undergo a TB test from a panel physician, a list of which is attached for you to review, which includes a list of panel hospitals from where the applicant has to undergo his medicals like chest x-ray and TB test. To apply for your CAS, you will need your bank statement and medical report. After you get your CAS, also known as Certificate for Acceptance of Studies, you must book your accommodation. You can book in different ways. You can book university accommodation or check out websites like Amber Student, Gumtree, and you can also search for private rent on your own or through your friends and relatives, or you might even choose to live with them. After that, submit your visa application. Just fill out the visa form and submit to the nearest UK embassy or High Commission. Finally, after getting your visa, go for the pre-departure checklist and start preparing your things and documents. I hope you have learned many things about how to study in the UK from India by now. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Please feel free to comment or message us if you have more questions, and check out our other videos as well. If you want to process for any country, please visit this link and submit your files. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.